Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with decisive prep. Power off the Surface Pro 7 and remove the keyboard and any cards. Once done, attach an anti-static strap and position the suction cup near the lower bezel. Make a small gap with a plastic pick. You do this to release the adhesive without cracking glass. Make sure to keep screws organized as you start prying. Losing one will slow you. This first move sets the whole repair up for a clean execution. You continue by separating the glass from the frame in steady passes, alternate sides, and keep pressure even so adhesive peels rather than snaps. Once the glass is loose, lift it just enough to access the display and digitizer connectors. Gently release the locking tabs and unplug cables. Note that ribbon cables are fragile. Use a spudger for leverage. Remove any internal bracket screws with the T5. This frees the screen assembly. You position the new display, align it, and carefully reconnect each ribbon, locking the tabs as you go, then power the tablet briefly to verify display and touch function. Once confirmed, remove power, apply fresh adhesive strips, and press the glass evenly into place to avoid bubbles. Reinstall any brackets and screws in their original order. If the touch or display fails after reassembly, immediately reopen and reseat the ribbon connectors. Often a loose or misaligned connector is the sole culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.